Wow, look at all this.
This was designated for.
They're on the ground. They're on the ground.
Uh-oh.
Someone's on the
Go!
ground.
Oh no.
Locomotive is on the ground.
Yeah, it's not me. It's not.
Hey, who just came out of the conference room?
Huh?
Who just came out of the conference room?
What the hell?
The locomotive's on the ground.
And it's front wheels and its wheels are slipping.
Oh.
Where did my remote go? What the hell?
Yeah, we got you set up. The one that resets to one all the time? Joe? Yeah.
You've been here 5 minutes and you're getting the blame already.
I know.
Good advice and we're not
Don't crumble on anything. That's why there's an out for that.
Yeah.
For a hot second, I was guys just coming head to head. I'm like,
Okay.
Okay, Patrick and Chris.
Yeah.
Get out of my way, sir. Get up. All right, well done.
What? Oh, its wheels are slipping.
We had a few locations where they had holes. Okay. Is that where you want to go? Yeah. You're coming in on blue? Yeah.
We'll take them out. So track 5, it says, huh?
Who does it? Hey, by the way, hey, you know,
Well, it
Hello.
says 5, but
you know, the I was
How about
just
we
trying to
put you
go away
on
from
4 so
confusion.
we keep 5 open? Okay.
As long as
Oh.
come around across 3.
hey, whose Switzer's in front of me? In my way?
oh, yeah, did you hear that? There's a train. There's something just head-on train collision right on the blue line. And, huh?
Oh. Whose train was that?
Duncan Switzer.
They ended up on the same track.
I don't know what it was doing there.
You know what? It probably should have been on the right side.
Patrick is.
Yeah.
Okay. All you.
Sorry. We needed you to get some running. All right, who's still running? Jack, are you done? Yep. Cliff, Eddie.